Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking powder may be used as a substitute for baking soda. Still, its leavening power is not as strong as that of plain baking soda. As a result, you'll need to use a greater quantity of baking powder to get the same final product.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Baking powder. Since baking soda is an ingredient of baking powder is technically the best substitute for baking soda. Gahn, who noted that any substitutions may change the texture and flavor of the final dish, recommended using 3 times the amount of baking powder in lieu of baking soda.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A little baking soda goes a long way. Here's why it works. Baking soda is alkaline, so it raises the pH level of chicken skin, breaking down the peptide bonds and jump-starting the browning process, meaning the wings got browner and crispier faster than they would on their own.
Take our lead.
Yes, as long as there is enough of an acidic ingredient to make a reaction. For 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, you need 1 cup of buttermilk or yogurt or 1 teaspoon lemon juice or vinegar. And remember that baking soda has 4 times the power of baking powder, so 1/4 teaspoon soda is equivalent to 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Take our lead.
Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, which requires an acid and a liquid to become activated and help baked goods rise. Conversely, baking powder includes sodium bicarbonate, as well as an acid. It only needs a liquid to become activated. Substituting one for the other is possible with careful adjustments.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.